Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I come back to you with another video of Remap with Winols. The file I choose for you on this video is Bosch Me17. Before the start this video, I wanna thank you for support me and leave your comments, and I want to answer some of your questions. Some of guys ask me how we can find find a map of the file with Winols and realize this map and modify this map. To be honest, I wanna say you it's not so easy work. It's depend on your experience, and you need to work hard with Winols and some of the way help you to find this map is compare two file, original file, and modify and tuning the file to with together, and find how you can change it. It's different of any brand of issue, for example Siemens, Bosch, Delphi, or another brand of issue is so different and depend of your car and system used on your car. But I wanna say just a word is depend of your experience. You need to work hard. But another things we have some of modern programmer and software guide you and do this tuning automatically. But my advice is if you learn working with Winols, you don't need spend a lot of money for buy this programmer and software, and you can with a file with a simple programmer from the ECM and modify it with Winols. It's very cheap way, but it's a little hard. Actually, I am amateur, but I am not professional in this work. But everything I learn, I teach you. Okay, go to start the video. At the first, open the Winols software, close the previous project. I choose the file Bosch Me17 of 5 Western car. All of the Bosch Me17 like together, a little different between the file, but if you watch this video complete, you can find the map in another file of Bosch Me17. Okay, push the preview P to watch to a three-dimensional shape of the map, and push the F to search between the map. I show you the important map of this file. Okay, the first map Winols realized for us has this shape, and look at the two-dimension shape, but Winols can't select all of this map. We select it manually, and we know this map relate to air input. I name it air input. Is depend on you. You can choose another name for it. For modify this map, you can select all of the map, and in the percentage change, you can maximum 18% this map. Yes. push the delete and go to find another map. Look at this shape. We know this shape relate to throttle position. We name it Throttle 1 because we have another throttle map on this file. For change throttle map, don't change the two first row because it's related to idle RPM, and last row because it's related to maximum opening the throttle position. Just change this area, and my advice is you can change it 10% this area of the map. This modify work for another throttle map of the car. Okay, push the delete and then push the F for finding another map. Look at this shape is related to Lambda sensor. We name it Lambda 1 because we have another Lambda sensor on this file. Don't change this value because for best performance you can change it this area. And in the maximum I suggest 4 times you can increase it, then 4 times, 2, 3, 4, and then select this area and change it, increase it 2 times. This modify work for another Lambda map 2 times, and you can select this area and increase it 1 times. Okay, push the delete and push the F to find another map. It's another throttle. It's another throttle position. Push the K. Look at the dimension. We select it completely, and you can rename it Throttle 2. And we can modify this map like a previous throttle. Okay, and push the delete and push the F for find another map. We have the map here. Look at the dimension. We select it complete and push the K. It's another Lambda map. We name it Lambda 2, and we can modify it like a previous Lambda. We can change it this area to maximum. This area to maximum mode, and then select this area, and don't change Lambda map in a percent mode. come back to the map and push the F. It's another Lambda map. We name it Lambda 3. Lambda 3. And here we have another Lambda map. Look at the shape. Push the K. We name it Lambda 4. Which of this Lambda map for a special condition of the car, and you need now it's working this Lambda map, and you change modify it. Going to find another map of this car. Look at the shape of this and to dimension. It's a torque optimum map. We name it torque 1. And how change the torque map? Don't select the first row, select this row, and don't select the two last row, and you can change it in the percentage mode, maximum 10%. And going for find another map. We have a map here, but Winols can't realize the complete of map, but we select manually, and from this shape we know this map relate to Spark Advance. Okay, push the delete and select the complete map. Push the K. Look at here, we know this value relate to Spark Advance. Spark Advance 1. I teach you how to change Spark Advance in the previous video. You can watch in my channel. My advice is don't change this negative value, and this is the maximum load of the car, and you can change it in the maximum mode. You can change it in, and some of guys it's depend on your interest, and some of guys select the columns. For example, don't change this map in the percent mode, change it, for example, change it this area 2 times, and these columns 3, 4, and last column you can change it 8 times. Okay, we have another Spark Advance map. Winols can't realize for us, but I select it manually. From here to this address. Look at the 2 dimension, we correct it completely, and push the K and name it Spark Advance 2 and modify it like a previous Spark Advance. Okay, come back to the hex dump and search between the map for finding the important map. It's another torque optimum of the car. We name it torque 2 and change it like a previous torque map. Come back to Haystamp, and we have another throttle. Sorry. If you lost the map, you can use the view in Haystamp and push the F to yes, we have another throttle map here. We select from here to here. Look at the 2 dimension. We have a 3 throttle map in this map. We select all of them. Push the K. Name it Throttle 3 and change it like a previous throttle I teach you. Come back to Haystamp, push the delete to and select the previous map and select from here to here, from here to here, push the K and name it Throttle 4. And select last throttle map from here to here. Push the K and name it Throttle 5. And change it like a previous throttle map. Okay, and push the F to find another important map. This map relates to torque optimum. We name it torque 3. Okay, and push the delete to and select the map and go ahead to find another important map. We have a 2 spark advanced map, but Winols can realize the complete of map. We select manually. Notice this shape related to spark advance. Push the K. Name it spark advance 3. After this map, we have another spark advance map from here to there, this address. Push the K. Name it spark advance 4. And go. Okay, we find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We find 70 map, 70 important map. You can change it and get the best performance of the car. In the previous video, I teach you how delete the immobilizer system on this file, and on this video I teach you how to find the important map of this file and change it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have a question, please leave your comments. I answer all of your comments. before save your the file, you can push the export the file and name it. Me17 tune and save it. Goodbye.